Hey, what's up everybody, V here. So today we are going to be checking out Defender Pro by Otterbox. This is for the Galaxy Note 20. I did drop a quick unboxing on this, I mean very quick. Very nice phone. Gotta get some protection for it. So I'll be right back. Give me a second. Alright everybody, so again, let me make a correction. This is the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. There you go, the big boy. So we do want to get it protected. Love Otterbox cases. Always have. I've always rocked Otterbox for as long as I can remember. A little expensive, but you know, they save you in the long run, having to pay that big deductible. So this is the old one. Galaxy Note 10 here. There's a look. Let me show you why I like these so much. Well, I'm sure, you know, other people can make a case for their cases also. So let me take this off. So I dropped this a while back. And you see, where's that? So right here, I took the rubber off. It looked okay from the outside. Look at that. Snapped. That's from a fall, so it probably protected the screen because it fell kind of at an angle like that and hit the ground. You will drop your phone. I mean, I rarely drop my phones, but you will drop your phone. So anyway, let's get to the new boy. Defender Pro. We got here 4 times tested at military standard, lasting antimicrobial case protection, wireless charging compatible, and that's the first. Outlasts heavy use, multi-layer defense. This part I like about it, raised edges protect the camera and screen. So let's get into it. You know, this case looks a little cheaper than usual. Looks like they're putting less of a budget towards that. So here we go. Put that to the side. Got your case. Little belt clip here I never use. So let me get this off. And let's just pop this out of here. We'll just leave that on there. I mean, you guys have seen that before. Put that over here. There it is. It's nice. Little cushy material in there. Got a little resistance for the phone. 2-piece design. And a while back they stopped putting the screen protectors in here. I kind of liked them. I don't know. I was off and on about them because sometimes they get to where it would mess with the touch sensitivity of the screen. Anyway, there's silicone. This plastic 2-piece housing. Pop this off. You got your little spaces here. Let me, right there. And just stick your nail in there. If you don't have a nail, get a coin or something and do it. So that's off. Foam. Wipe it down a little bit in the back. Pop that in like that. So there. Make sure it's snug. You're going to line up the bottom, the top. Just kind of snaps together. Hold on, I got it upside down. Alright. Don't do that. So there we go. Snapped right in. Snap there, snap there. Should be a nice snug fit. Then grab this here, line that up with your camera. And then just go around the edges. Really nice fit. And this one had that same fit. It got a little different once it snapped, and that's one of the reasons I never noticed that it had snapped. So when I pulled it off, the reason I pulled it off, it was kind of a little loose, and I looked, and that's when I found out it snapped, and I was like, oh well. So here we go. There we go. We vanished that camera bump there, so it kind of flushed it out. I know people are worried about that, but I mean, if you put a case on, don't have to worry about it. It's nice. Let's compare it to last year's model. It's kind of slick. This has like a little pattern in the back, kind of like that better. And so now let me do, go ahead and do my ruler test on this. Check out that bump. We're going to see how much we can get under that raised lip for protection of the glass. Give me a moment, be right back. All right, everybody, I'm back. Here we go. So here's my ruler. See the thickness of it? I mean, it's a ruler. So we got it flat, laying flat. Try and push this under. So got some good pass through here. Stops at the lip. Here we go. So there we have it, folks. This is the Otterbox. Oh, let me get one more thing. Let's check out the flaps here for the dust protection. Got one there. It's like we just have the one, and then we have the speakers and the volume key, the volume rocker. Let's see here, and the speakers are actually right there. And we got S Pen. Nice access to that. That is it. Otterbox Defender Pro. This is B. I'm out.